How do you know if your gym members are happy and satisfied with their memberships? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an effective gym member survey so you can find out. We're going to cover how to structure your survey and how to automate the data collection process. And by the end of this video, you'll have an automated feedback loop that tells you exactly what your gym needs to thrive. So let's jump right in. All right, let's jump over to our Jotform workspace and create our survey. So we're going to hit create on the top left here and click form. And today we're going to use a template to save some time. So let's type in the search bar and say gym survey and see what options it comes up with. So I'm just going to scroll until I find maybe one that says gym survey on it. Here we go. We're going to click use template. And this just gives us a solid foundation with categories like performance and overall satisfaction already built in. So as you can see here, there's already things in here like name, gender, age, and other fitness related questions. But if you want to get really specific about things like facilities and equipment of your gym, you can add a targeted question and use conditional logic to keep your data organized. So I think I'm going to do that today. So I'm going to add under the add element here, a single choice question. We're going to drag that towards the bottom. And then we're just going to type in our question and say, how would you rate the cleanliness of our equipment? And then we're going to give a few options. So let's say excellent and okay, and then it needs improvement. And then let's delete this fourth option. And then I want to make this a required question. So all members need to fill this out as part of the survey. And then we're going to add in a long text field right under there so that when we set our condition, this will pop up. So we're going to say, tell us which machine or area needs attention. All right. Since we don't want to clutter the form for members who are happy, we'll set a condition here so that this long text field shows up when someone hits needs improvement. And this will just give an actionable to-do list whenever a concern is raised. So let's go ahead and set that condition up in settings. And then we'll go to conditions, show and hide a field. So if someone clicks on, how would you rate the cleanliness of our equipment? We want the answer to be equal to needs improvement so that it will show that long text field. Tell us which machine or area needs attention. So let's go ahead and save that and go back. All right, and next, your survey should feel like an extension of your gym and not just a generic link. So in the form designer on the upper right, I'm gonna click that. You can upload your gym's logo, match your brand colors, and change the fonts. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna change my gym's color to blue today. And then if I wanted to upload a logo at the top here, I would go over to styles, add logo, and you can either upload that file or drag and drop. All right, our survey looks good to go. So let's go ahead and fill this out. So let's go over to the publish tab. And we're just going to open this in a new tab so we can fill it out here. All right, and now we're getting over to that equipment question that we dragged over. And I'm going to say the gym equipment needs improvement. And you can see here, this box popped up to specify. So let's just say the hand weight area. And then let's just say all of these things here are important for our gym. And then we're going to hit submit. Now let's look at what happens after we hit submit. So if we go back over to our form builder and click on tables, you can see the response that I just submitted flow directly into Jotform Tables with all of the member information filled out. You can also jump over to Report Builder to instantly visualize your results instead of going through a big spreadsheet. All right, so once your survey is ready, you need to get it in front of your members. So let's jump back over to that survey go back into our workspace and then hit Edit Form. And under the Publish tab, you can grab the provided code to embed the survey directly on your website. So under the Embed tab, just grab this code, copy that link, and put it directly on your website, and your survey will show up. And you can also send a link out in your monthly newsletter or post-workout follow-up emails to catch members while their experience is still fresh. So under Quick Share, just copy that link and put those in your emails. And if you want to take your member experience even further, you can bundle your surveys, schedules, and resources into a dedicated mobile app for your gym. We'll go over that in the next video where we'll dive into creating a fully customized app for your gym. But this button down here will get you started. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use Jotform to create a gym membership survey, drop them down below in the comments. If you got some value from this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on a new video. I'll see you next time.